What if we told you that multiple utility studies have proven HVAC systems lose 30% of the energy they generate? That means for every $1,000 you spend on energy bills, $300 is for nothing, wasted. But why? Let's take a look. When your thermostat reaches the desired set point, your outdoor compressor turns off, and the blower fan runs for 90 seconds in order to push the energy across the coil and into your house. The problem identified by the utility studies is that the 90 seconds of blower fan runtime is often not long enough. This causes energy to be left in your HVAC system where it is lost, costing you hundreds of dollars a year. Ecostella solves that problem and more. With our IVFC, or Intelligent Variable Fan Control technology, Ecostella will control your blower fan and run it for different lengths of time, depending on your overall system runtime. This gives you all the fan you need, but none of what you don't, saving you 10 to 15% all year long. That's great, but we didn't stop there. Ecostella also controls your compressor with its ICC, or Intelligent Compressor Control technology, and turns it off when the system is fully energized. Eliminating unnecessary compressor cycles saves big money. So much that it doubles the total energy, saving to 20 to 30% during the summer months. Ecostella is simple to install and can be done using our DIY instructions or by your local professional. Once installed, there's nothing else to do but sit back and enjoy the savings, which can be up to $300 a year per unit.